Here we have Preeti online with us in conversation. The gorgeous Preeti Bhalla.
Hey
Can you
Nila,
hear me?
how are you?
I'm doing fine, darling. How are you?
Very, very
Happy,
good.
happy Baisakhi. Balle balle.
Thank you. Wish you the same. Wish you the same.
It's amazing to be online with you on such a beautiful day, Baisakhi. So I wore a special pink for you so that
Oh,
we
so
can celebrate
nice.
the colors of Punjab. Balle balle.
Yes, 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 absolutely. Good to see you,
Listen,
yeah. I
yeah,
I
same
I
here.
think we met uh, last time in Kochi. Yes, you were here for
Yes,
EMAC. Yes, you were a
yes,
guest speaker here.
I
And
was there and I had a great time with you and
and we
George.
had Sabas with us. Sabas
We
was with us.
had Sabah,
Oh God, we
Sabah.
had a blast, three of us.
We
I
had a blast.
remember.
We had a blast. And he was too much fun. Had a great time.
Missing you, Sabas, missing you here in this conversation.
Listen, so this is about you today, and so we're going to make the audience and the online listeners, you know, get a feel of what Preeti Bhalla is all about. So I thought, why not to do something little fun and interesting, and with whatever conversation we had prior to this, we decided to create a one kind of journey thought process, which basically talks about what Preeti is all about. So yeah, so should we get started then?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes,
So yeah, so fantastic. We have lot of live audience right now, so
they're
it's good
joining in.
to
Yes, they're joining
yeah,
in.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. They're joining in. So you want to wait for more, or should we?
I think
You want to start
we could
gungunaing?
start with a देखो आज बैसाखी का दिन है तो
हाँ जी,
पंजाबी गाना तो बनता ही है and
बनता है, बिल्कुल बनता
from
है.
my side as well I would like to wish everyone a very very happy बैसाखी आज गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने एक्चुअली सिखों को आइडेंटिटी दी थी पांच प्यारे बनाए थे एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट डे इट्स अ सिख न्यू ईयर टुडे और आज के दिन
वाह,
किसान जो है कटाई करते हैं the farmers reap all their harvest. So I think in the current scenario, I just want to tell everyone that the time that we are harvesting right now,
yeah,
social distancing, the time that we are at home right now, this I really wish for everyone that this will reap us good
yeah.
benefits very very fast. All this has to just go away very fast. तो
Yeah,
हमारी बैसाखी जब
all the positivity is coming now, and all the positivity is going to kill the negative, and that's what we all need to be. We all need to be positive. We all need to focus on doing, something which we never done. Spend time with ourselves. Spend time with our family members. Spend time with our friends online. Connect with everyone who we're not connected. So gather all the energies together and. That's what I think. And then इस बात पे प्रीति एक बहुत प्यारा सा गाना हो जाए दो लाइन
done
bang.
done yes. So here it goes.
Yes.
कि अज मेरा जी करदा रब्बा मी वरसा साडी कोठी दान पा ओ रब्बा रब्बा मी वरसा साडी कोठी दान पा ओ रब्बा रब्बा मी वरसा साडी कोठी दान पा कामा 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 आज मेरा जी कर दो मैं उठ जाऊंगा हवा के मेरी किस्मत ने के मेरी किस्मत ने कर दिया ठंडिया छावा के आज मेरा जी कर दो मैं उड़ जा उड़ जा राज
पंजाबी पाना
हवा मेरा जी कर दो
That was a fantastic beginning. That was a fantastic beginning,
Thank
and what
you.
a song! What a voice, Preeti. So
Thank
tell
you.
us a
Can you
little
hear
bit
me
about.
clearly? Me clearly.
I I can hear you well. So can you hear us?
Absolutely fine.
Yeah. So somebody said awesome beard. I have not even shaved in the last 22 days. So thanks
I
for the
think
compliment.
Sushil Wadhwa,
Anyway,
Sushil is also online. Shukriya,
yeah,
Shukriya. Thank
Sushil,
you,
yo,
Sushil.
Sushil, the billionaire manager. Okay. So, Preeti, come on, tell us little bit about when was the time when you actually realized in life that you could sing?
So, music ka mahal to I always had at home because my mom is an MA in music and dad being ex-captain Merchant Navy, but still he sings very well. So we had this environment of music at home. I started off with Gurbani, learning Shabads when I was around seventh, eighth standard, in seventh and eighth standard, and then went on learning classical music. और फिर schools में, colleges में, I used to take part, in these competitions.
So, is it was it for a boy, special boy that you started thinking that you should sing,
कब बोले?
or was it
No,
for some crush you had on some teacher, or someone who was maybe a
no.
senior in the school
Come
or
on,
the
Lily.
college, or what was it special?
I
What
was
was it?
just
Or was it as Deepu or George? Which
दीपू को तो मैं बहुत टाइम बाद मिली हूँ later on, much
oh,
later.
okay,
This is
okay.
during
So yes,
my yes. And then
so
I used to take part in school, in college competitions. Started doing my MBA as well. तब तक I had not decided कि, I never thought of it as a career. But the turning point was when during my final year MBA, we have these annual gatherings. So usme I was performing and Nilab, the applause that I got at that moment, there were about 1,500 students. And जब उनके सामने गाया तो था पहले, but उस दिन when I sang and that once more, and teachers से आशीर्वाद मिला, and that applause, it was it was something else. And I said, what am I doing here? 9 to 5, I don't think I can be a working kind of a person, or doing a 9 to 5 job. And bus, that is the time, that moment itself, I said, no, I think I have to give it a try. At least let me try and see whether this works for me. MBA, I completed my MBA in marketing, of course. And then my parents said, ठीक है, चलो अभी तुमने डिग्री कर ली है, you can give it a try. And that's how I did my schooling in Bombay. College was in Pune.
that's when you got the calling from inside that you're made, you built,
Yes,
you're born to be a singer. So, which
yes.
song, which comes in your mind, which connects to that beautiful thought of yours that you realize that you have a singer inside you, or there's a musician inside you. So, dedicate one song on that. Think of a
So in fact, I would like to talk about my first song itself, because फिर मैं पूना से
wow.
फिर बॉम्बे आई. पूना से I completed my MBA and then we came down to Bombay, and I met Times, music. I met them over there and blah blah blah. They sent me for an audition and all that. And the Madam Mast Kalandar was the song that was selected, and that was my first ever video song, which
So,
came
हो जाए फिर मस्त
from the
कलंदर.
album Jalwa 2. Yes, Akbar Sami ने किया था वो remix.
So this
So
song we need Akbar also. Akbar, are you listening, Akbar Sami? We wanted to do a live mix on this song. Maybe next time we'll get Akbar online.
yes. So this is the Madam for you. झूलना रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंदड़ी दा से बड़गा सखीशा बाज कलंदर हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंदड़ी दा सहबण दा सखी शोबास कलंदर रमादम कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर रमादम कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm sure how I'm the way I'm enjoying right now your beautiful voice. All our listeners are also loving every moment, every line, every bit of your vocals coming out live online right now. Beautiful, fantastic. Okay, so this was the turning point in your life, right? And then finally, tell us a little bit about uh, like when was your first experience to go live on stage with audience? Like, what was that feeling? First, tell us about that feeling, and then maybe talk about maybe the song you performed on stage live for the first time, or you want to relate a song with that.
I can share my experience. My first stage performance was for Pune Festival. Okay, and oh my God, and I faced 5,000 people for the first time. My heart was beating because it's a very well known festival out there in Pune, and but a great experience. It was a solo show for the first time,
Wow,
and I had a
that
lot
was
of
wow. How old were you that time?
sweet 16.
15.
Yeah, I mean, I was, yeah, I was, yeah, I was in college. It's
So
final year of college,
yes,
yes. My
it's a,
MBA.
see, you're an inspiration for so many, and when you talk about those milestones in life, it gives inspiration. So that was the first time when you faced the live audience, right?
Yes, yes,
So tell us
absolutely.
something special about that. Tell us something special about it. What
Dil
happened?
dhadak raha tha. I was nervous. Dil dhadak raha tha. First time,
Hmm?
and but it was good fun because
Yeah.
I did all the famous songs of that time and the pop songs
And
and
Pune is like the best place to experience that college life, and
yes,
and the whole energy level is different, and the kids from all across India and abroad, and you performing live with them, and there's so much of positivity. So Pune is always, I've seen, a step ahead from the college life, normal college life.
yes, and it's a
So
very
there are some
beautiful
amazing.
city. Very beautiful
I have
city.
some amazing memories of Pune, and we still have not gone together to Pune. So when I will
Yes.
take you to Pune, or you will take me to Pune,
By
we
the way,
will
my
have so
parents are
many.
there in Pune, yes. तो
I
आपको
know, I
हमारे घर
know,
आना है.
I know, but imagine we've not gone together. We've gone so many places together, all of us as family
Yes.
and friends, but we've not traveled to
मैं तो
Pune.
पुणे
But
में.
Pune is a special place. Yeah. So tell us
ये
something. Maybe
लॉकडाउन ना जल्दी जल्दी हो जाए, ये खत्म हो जाए, फिर हम चलेंगे. We shall
तो
drive down to Lonavala and
एक गाना हो जाए पूना के नाम.
Pune के नाम.
पूना
Uh,
की पूना 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 के पूना पूना सिटी के लिए. So the
एक
most gorgeous.
मराठी 2 लाइन मराठी सॉन्ग का करो.
हाँ बिल्कुल, मराठी पंजाबी मिक्स कर दो. हाँ
रेशमाच्या
हाँ.
राणी लाल काळ्या धाग्याने कर्नाटकी कशीदा मी काढीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला. That's
What does it mean? What does
रेशमा
it mean?
लाल काला. सो इट्स लावणी में वो टीज करते हैं ना, मेरी साड़ी को हाथ मत लगाओ. सो रेशमाचं रे गाणे लाल काळ्या धाग्याने कर्नाटकी कशीदा मी काढीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला. कितने सालों
वाह
बाद
वाह.
रही हूँ.
Yeah.
कहाँ से याद
Beautiful.
दिला
So,
दी.
तो ये गाने के बाद एक अपना एक वो वाला गाना जो स्टेज के लिए, which probably could be your one of favorite. The stage
Which
when you
I performed
experience the
live.
live.
Live performances. Okay.
Completely.
Okay. So, well, I sing in many, many languages and I sing a lot of different genres as well: pop, Sufi, ghazlein, Bollywood, of course. But this one, which is called Teri Diwani, okay, is one of my favorite. और मैं अपने हर गिग में ये गाना जरूर गाती हूँ और स्टार्ट भी करती हूँ हर गिग with this song normally. So I shall sing that for you all right now. प्रीत की लते मोहे ऐसी लागे हो कोई मैं मतवार बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को कि मैं जाऊं बारी बारी मोहे सुध बुध ना रहे तन मन के ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं हारी मैं दिल हारी हारी मैं दिल हारी तेरे नाम से जिलो तेरे नाम से बन जाऊं तेरे नाम से जिलो तेरे नाम से बन जाऊं तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं तूने कर डाला मर गए मैं मिट गए तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तूने क्या कर डाला मर गए मैं मिट गए तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी So, this is one of my
Very
favorite
nice. Beautiful.
songs.
I always remember the times which we all have spent together at home when we were not in quarantine, and we used to spend time all of us, and we all used to have lovely food which we used to maybe order or cook at home, and then we used to sit down after the dinner or used to perform. And I always remember that, my favorite song, which I always used to ask you to sing, used to be, so many of them. But those were the also very nice days when we were not required to be in the home, but we've always been homebody. So I always feel that today it's just in our minds that, oh, why aren't we going out? Why aren't we able to do things like we find to catching up with going stepping out? But the best part is to be home right now and experience the idea of spending time together. So I think this is very important for all of us to be positive. This
Right.
is a difficult time in life, but when we have amazing talent like you and performing for us live, it gives us so much of positive energy. So thanks to you for beautiful, lovely, amazing music. So moving forward, um, um, tell us a little bit about uh, probably when George happened in your life. Deepu happened in your life, and then you guys came together, and Kyra happened. And when Kyra happened, uh, how how were you able to manage your career and and manage your family time? Because I know that you've been sacrificing a lot. It's not easy for a musician, a singer, or an artist to do like that because you being a mother and a wife as well as a professional singer musician who gets so many shows in the whole of the year. Calendar is completely stacked, and I know. for the fact that you do such amazing performances all across. It's not only within Bombay or South, but across internationally as well. So, tell us something about how you've managed and balanced out your career as well as your professional.
So yes, I met Deepu first through a friend, and he is from Kerala. Actually, he's a Malayali Catholic, and I'm a Sardarni Punjabi. So we are our story is a story of two states. And but since I was based in Mumbai, so I was very clear that I would like to be in this city because of my career. And my husband has his plantation business. They have their estates and also, into architecture and different businesses. But it was his support that he, shifted his base from Kerala, Cochin to Mumbai. And, so that I could pursue my career here. Of course, he does. He's
Wonderful.
up and down. He does travel down south whenever, his uh, family business, whenever they require him. So, but because of that, because of his support, I could really pursue my dreams. And I have a
Hmm.
7-year-old daughter now. And yes, it's not easy. Uh, and because of and because she was actually studying in Mumbai before till her first grade, but now in the second grade, we had to put her in Kochi here. And I'm in Cochin right now because of the
Yeah,
lockdown. And we had to put
fantastic.
her here. And because,
Best part is you're with the family. Your best part is you're with the family.
sorry,
Best part is you're with the family,
yes,
whether
yes.
it's Kochi
Although
or Mumbai.
my in-laws are in the plantation, but yes, we shifted her here with her dadi, with her grandparents, so that it's very difficult being in Bombay and taking care of the kid and traveling all over the world and, keep calling your parents again and again for their support for the kid. So this is the decision we took, and again, great support from my in-laws, without which it all this would have not
So,
been
so,
possible.
to be precise, so who's getting the credit? Is the in-laws getting the credit? Is Kyra getting the credit, or is my
All
poor
of them
friend George
together, all
is
of them,
getting the credit?
my in-laws, my husband, and of course my darling Kyra, without which all this would have not been possible. Yes,
Fantastic,
just their
fantastic. Okay,
support.
so why don't we have a beautiful song for the family who supports all of the professional people like you and me, and when we are away and we are working hard and we do so many sacrifices, think maybe of a beautiful song, Do Line Uski Ho Jaye.
Okay, so okay, since I'll dedicate these two lines to my family here in Kerala, two lines in Malayalam. Uh, it's a beautiful family song actually. തുമ്പിവ തുമ്പക്കുടത്തിൻ തുഞ്ചത്താഞ്ഞാലിടാൻ തുമ്പിവ തുമ്പി means a family. തുമ്പിവ തുമ്പക്കുടത്തിൻ തുഞ്ചത്താഞ്ഞാലിടാൻ ആകാശ കുന്നാല നിലകളെ ആയത്തിൽ തൊട്ടേ വരാം ആകാശ കുന്നാല നിലകളെ ആയത്തിൽ തൊട്ടേ വരാം തുമ്പിവ തുമ്പക്കുടത്തിൻ തുഞ്ചത്താഞ്ഞാലിടാൻ. This is
Wow,
for you, for all my
wow, beautiful.
friends in
This is
Kerala,
amazing.
all my
This is
Malayalam.
amazing. This is gorgeous. Wow. So, what does this song mean? Like, what is this song?
It's all about family and they all are together, and so
Wow.
it's just the
So
scenario that we spoke about.
we are family. We are family.
We are family. Yes, yes. It's a beautiful
Wow.
Ilaiyaraaja ji's composition.
Wow.
Yes.
So, so t- t- tell us that today is Baisakhi, and Baisakhi is supposed to be one of the most special, days for Punjabis and Sikhs all across the world. Maybe could we have a beautiful song from you coming for real Punjabis and all the Punjabi lovers and the fans of Punjab for,
Huh.
on the dedicated on Baisakhi, like
On
Kila.
Baisakhi.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. So actually, these few lines are written by me
Wow.
for yes for Vaisakhi, and it's actually I'm going to be posting it very soon as well, maybe today or tomorrow. So,
Really?
oh
Wow.
balle balle, oh balle balle, oh balle balle, ve din Vaisakhi da, oh balle balle, ve din Vaisakhi da, टप टप के है पंगड़ा पाले दिन वैसाखी दा ओ बल्ले बल्ले वे दिन वैसाखी दा ओ बल्ले बल्ले वे दिन वैसाखी दा टप टप के है पंगड़ा पाले दिन वैसाखी दा ओ दिन वैसाखी दा something like this.
Wow. Fantastic. Very, very nice. Super. Fantastic. Beautiful. So, tell us, you've done a like one of the most uh, celebrated films of the Indian cinema, uh, which is was featuring Priyanka Chopra, the famous Priyanka Chopra, Mary Kom. So,
Yes.
why don't we have some insights on Mary Kom? Like, how did you get Mary Kom? Like, what happened? Like, how did you get such a big film? And which was the big song which you played, which you were played to be part of the film?
Yes, so the part that I've sung in the film is in the climax part for Priyanka Chopra. Okay, it's a Manipuri song. And
Wow! And
it,
there is a festival coming. There's a festival of Manipur coming tomorrow or today.
oh yeah, it's Bihu. Yes. Bihu
Bihu,
Festival.
yeah. Wow,
Yes.
exactly. And and
So,
and and
but
seven entertainment guys
I want to
who
tell you
are
that I want to say that it was actually an honor for me because the reference of my vocals went from Mr. Rahman's studio to Rohit Kulkarni, who was doing the background of Mary Kom. Okay, so Mr. Siva, who is the engineer, who is working with Mr. Rahman, had my vocal references. And Rohit Kulkarni was in touch with Mr. Siva, and he wanted a little different voice. He said, "There's this climax situation, and I want something different, different kind of a voice to emote a certain situation." And Mr. Siva sent my vocals, and Rohit calls me up and, "Would you like to sing for Mary Kom?" I said, "Sure, it will be a pleasure for me." And there I was. And he narrated, he told me the situation of the film and what Priyanka is going through at that point of time, which is what I actually sang for the film. You can check it out on my YouTube, it's there.
wow,
Yeah.
fantastic.
Amamba Kiba
So,
Kaya. It's in Manipur.
ah, this is Manipuri song. I know. So that's a big accomplishment, and obviously it's a big thing because there's a festival coming on called Bihu, which celebrates the spirits of Manipur. So yeah, fantastic. So you've been a playback singer, you've been a live performer, you specialize, which I feel that you specialize in, great performances which happen at the social events, specifically for corporates and weddings,
Yes.
which you really, put. I've seen you putting heart and soul into when it comes to mehendi events or sangeet and even live performances. Concerts. I remember you performed for one of the big concerts for Sahara Shri, which was held in Ambi Valley, and he literally had tears in his eyes. And which was that song?
Uh, आज जाने की जिद ना करो. It's a
Wow.
beautiful ghazal, actually. He loves that ghazal. And
So we should ask the audience: should we have the song now, or should we have it when we are discussing? The
yeah, I
audience
think
wants the song.
I can just sing two lines of that. Probably I can do that now.
No, why not? Why two lines? Maybe we can have a proper uh, the way you perform all this.
Okay. हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful, beautiful.
One
Fantastic.
of my favorite
Amazing.
ghazals by Farida Khanum ji. So good.
Very nice. Beautiful. Actually, this was one of the best. I've always appreciated this modesty for us. Beautiful. Amazing. So, yeah, so it's nice to feel that you are one of the most versatile singers we have in our industry, and you do a lot of collaboration. So your collaboration is very famous. In fact, you did a great collaboration with overseas artists, and
Yes.
you've done some amazing tie-ups with great performers and musicians, singers all across it. And then obviously there is something coming up after the lockdown. Maybe inshallah we can wait for that to
Yes.
happen and get disclosed by you. So tell us
So
something about the
I
collaboration.
sure I had done a patriotic song with Anup Jalota ji. It was called "Tomorrow World Will Be Known as India," in which Anup ji had for the first time sung in English as well. That, and I had also done a Krishna Bhajan's album with Anup Jalota ji, who's my mentor, and I really love him, and his blessings are always there with me. Then there was this beautiful Hindi Hebrew song, which I collaborated with a very dear friend of mine called Ilana Sigev, and she's from Israel. And we had done this song called Shala La La La, Shalom Salame, Shala La La, saying hello to everyone, to everyone in the world from us, from India and from Israel. We'd done this bilingual song, which was for the first time in Hindi and Hebrew. Then I have, in fact, also collaborated with Joel Moses, who's from UK. So we done a song called Journey Behind the Wheels. So that way, a couple of collaborations with them, and something exciting that's coming up is I have collaborated with a couple of my friends, of course, with Anup Jalota ji, with beautiful Jagjit Singh medley. We've done together Meet Brothers, who are like family to me. We've done a song together. Shivani Kashyap, a very dear friend of mine. We've done a song together. Jay Walia जो हैं दिल्ली के हैं आंखों से तेरा ही चेहरा, he had sung that. उनके साथ एक गाना किया है. So और भी lot more songs.
I'm sure. Yeah.
वेटिंग ये लॉकडाउन हो जाए फिर हम थोड़ी शूटिंग करें और वीडियो फटाफट बनाएं और हम सबको ये गाने सुनाएं.
Yeah. So this is nice to hear what's in store and what you've done in past of collaboration. Have you thought of doing a collaboration with Kyra, your budding singer,
Yes.
who's a fantastic performer and most amazing cute girl I've ever seen. And my boys, they love her. They love her.
Yes, we will do a song. Actually, for in this current situation, we did the Heal the World song together. We had put the video up.
Yeah.
Just a fun song, yeah, just at home. And actually, lockdown का ये फायदा बहुत हुआ है कि we got so much time to spend with each other here in Kochi, in this Kochi house. We could do so many songs together, and I try and make it a point that every day I try and shoot one song and put it out, so that
That's like serious dedication, huh?
they all
That's
can
serious
hear.
dedication.
Sorry.
That's a serious dedication.
Yes, because that's the least I can do as an artist, to so in whatever, this is the only way I can entertain them, being in this lockdown and get a smile on their faces. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So, yeah. So, which is one song when Kyra grows up and she is completely ready and you are ready to perform with her, like you are ready to perform with her, finally, that you are at her
Oh,
level.
so, yeah, I'm sure.
So, which is
I
one
think she
song which
is. She's
you guys
gifted.
you
She's
will
gifted.
sing.
She's a very good
You
singer.
you ha-
Yeah.
yeah, and which you would like to sing with her.
I don't know. I haven't thought of that, but yes, that day shall come very, very soon.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes,
That's
yes,
nice.
yes.
Okay, so tell us something special about Kerala. Like you have so much connections in Kerala and Mumbai. So, which is one song which you would like to dedicate about Amchi Mumbai, and the one song which you've already actually sung for Kerala, though. So, which is one song which I want to know, which is your favorite for Mumbai. They
Mumbai.
they all all of us all I can see comments coming in that they want me to sing. See, guys, I'm thank I'm very thankful for you guys to be a great participant of this conversation and being great listeners to Preeti's beautiful voice. But I am the most horrible singer you would ever come across. Don't even go there. So let's not have any kind of a thinking about like that because everybody will disappear when I start singing. So let's only focus on Preeti. Okay.
So
So
I
which is
what
one
I can
song?
do is I can sing a song from the film Bombay for the people of
Bombay.
Bombay.
It has
Yes.
a connection to South as well.
And a connection because A.R. Rahman has,
Yes.
has done the music for this. So you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Okay.
you.
Yes. जाने रे इन सांसों में बस जा चांद रे चांद रे आजादी की जमीन चाहते हैं आके मुझसे मिल जा तू या ऐसा कर धरती से मिला दे मुझको हीरे तू हीरे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं आजा रे आजा रे यूं ही तड़पा न तू मुझको. So that was one of my
Oh,
favorite.
fine. Amazing. Beautiful.
I hope you could
That
hear
this
me.
is this
I was getting a couple of calls in
that
between, so yeah.
very soulful. Very soulful.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Yeah, we all could hear you very well. I wish we were in front of you and you could get the experience of listening
Soon,
live.
soon, soon. Yes,
So
soon.
yeah. So I think my headphones have gone. Can you hear now? My head-
Yes. Can you hear me?
So yeah, so yes, everybody's saying what a lovely voice you have. Damn good. You
Thank
are a
you.
very
Thank you.
soulful singer. You have a brilliant voice, Preeti. Amazing. It's so nice to
Okay,
always hear
I'll-
you and
okay.
listen to your beautiful voice.
Thank
Tell
you.
now, uh, tell us something about your daily routine. How's everything going on at home, and how do you keep yourself occupied, and what do you exactly do the whole day?
So, of course, it's a lockdown, so बाहर तो ज़्यादा जा नहीं सकते हैं. But yes, I wake up in the morning, go down for my walks in my apartment only, and then do my yoga and do my riyaz, my vocal workout. And after that, then it's time to play with my daughter and do some studies with her. And then after that, we play some games, some board games, Snakes and Ladders, Ludo, Monopoly, getting all those things back, Carrom board. So बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. And then yes, then we go on to shooting one song mostly. So that itself takes decide करना चलो आज क्या करें, आज क्या mood है, आज पंजाबी में करते हैं, आज इंग्लिश में करते हैं. So in fact I'm going to do a शबद very soon. गुरबानी शबद, मुझे इतने रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे हैं और मेरे सारे जो रिलेटिव्स हैं ना बहुत गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, प्रीति.
So एक गुरबानी हो जाए. Why don't we have a gurbani? That is one of your
Oh,
specialization.
I haven't got my chunni actually. We cover our head. And sing, Kyra, can you get me my chunni, please? If you can get me my, I can sing probably. I can sing 2 lines for you, and then we could
Yeah,
probably
that
end
would
up
be
with a nice
wonderful.
peppy number. Yeah.
No,
Can you get
because
me the butler, please?
गुरबानी का नाम जिक्र हुआ तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं गुरबानी हो जाए.
Anji,
And
that's
it's
the
the most
beauty.
soulful thing we could probably hear today, being Baisakhi.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. तो ये होता है.
देखो,
Yeah, 2 lines and
thing is that I'm all coming up with very spontaneous requests, and suddenly I come up with something else, and then I'm asking you some questions,
yeah.
and suddenly I'm asking for request. So this proves and this shows how versatile and how strong your vocals and how adaptive you are towards music, that you are able to adjust and do so many varieties. You right now you perform um, so many different type of notes and different languages, and it's commendable. So
Thank
it's
you.
always good to listen to you. Always, it's very soulful. So Gurbani,
2 लाइन, हाँ जी, श्योर. 2 लाइन्स. वैसे भी वैसाखी है आज तो.
हाँ जी. सो हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए हो जाए एक बहुत बढ़िया एक बैसाखी का एक गाना.
So it's a
जी.
शबद. एक शबद है. 2 lines. Like to sing. मिल मेरे प्रीत माजियो, तुद बिन खरी निमानी. मिल मेरे प्रीत माजियो, तुद बिन खरी निमानी. मैं नड़ी नींद ना बैजिया, मैं नड़ी नींद ना बैजिया, पावे ना पानी. मिल मेरे प्रीत माजियो, तुद बिन खरी निमानी. That was
Brilliant, beautiful, amazing.
and
बहुत
I
बहुत
actually also want to mention that I'm here in Kochi in Kerala, and I have a beautiful family here, which are not only my relatives but also very, very dear friends who support me so much. You will see that a lot of my videos that are made here in the beautiful locales of Kerala are by this team, my dear friends Suraj, Ramakrishnan, and Manohar. Both are amazing family, and they do all the videos here with me, which when you go to YouTube, you check out. So I really want to thank them as well because of all the support. that they give me. And I have another musical team out here, amazing guys. They are also like family. So I have Glenn, who does so many songs with me. And again, you can check it out on YouTube. Then there's Ashwin who's on guitar, and they also play with me in the band. And इतने सारे गाने उनके साथ अनप्लग्ड हम कर रहे हैं, उनका सपोर्ट है इसलिए मैं ये सब कर पा रही हूँ. So I just want to thank them from my side. I just
Fantastic, fantastic, and so nice of you to bring up their names and say thank you to them, and and acknowledge them, because I feel that today whatever we are all because of our collaborations, our team, our people who are supporting us, families, friends. So we need to be very, very, expressive about it, and there should be always a mention of everybody's cooperation and their efforts, which makes us, go an extra mile. Fantastic, beautiful.
absolutely, yeah.
So, Preeti, tell me, what else can we have coming out from you after Gurbani? Like, can we have some peppy number of
Yes,
like
I think
something
it's
which is?
time as well. काफी time भी हो गया है. And
I know,
we
but
can.
we still want one last song. It's coming from the big fan of yours. So when we have the most amazing
So
peppy number of Punjabi number, which probably could
actually ये
bring
पंजाबी
everybody
नहीं
in
है,
full.
ये पंजाबी नहीं है, ये स्पेनिश और हिंदी नंबर है, ठीक है? Okay?
Okay.
Yes. And I love this song. It's from the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And I think, yes, we could end up with this beautiful song. So here we go.
Manolita.
Ya hecha, que remontes los cielos, no te encontré. Y llegas hoy, de repente, y resolvió toda mi vida con tu querer. No me escucha, no me llama, yo me मुझसे कहा है señorita, कि चाहते मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है señorita. Oh, baby, I love me right. मेरा दिल करते में मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना señorita. चाहत के दो पली में पाए दुनिया में भी सब है क्या समझ तुम पाओ मुझे मुझे खुद में है क्या señorita. Oh, señorita, क्या come up with tremenda el día de la cama pensando tú me das como la mamela señorita nigahones hermanos estás señorita चाहते मोहब्बत सारी दुनिया में सुबह señorita. मुझसे अब नजर न फेरो आओ पास तुम मेरे मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना señorita. चाहत के दो पली में पाए दुनिया में भी अब है क्या समझ तुम पाओ मुझे खुद में है क्या दूसरों से रहने अब क्या.
Fantastic, wonderful, good
Thank
job,
you. Thank
beautiful.
you.
That was a
Thank you.
fantastic number and very well performed.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
And so good to see you. पता नहीं फिर कब जल्दी मिलना है. It's been like a long
Yes,
time.
it was
Yes.
wonderful to have you live on Instagram, on Seven Entertainment
Yes.
initiative.
Thank you.
And it
Thanks
was
to Seven
fantastic.
Entertainment, yes, for getting us together.
Yes, and thank you for giving me the opportunity of hosting this beautiful, musical afternoon. And thank you so much for, taking so much time out and for giving your insights of your life, little bit insights, not everything. I'm sure there's more stories to be told, but yes, I think all of us are very happy and excited to know that how you got started in your career and what made you, travel all the way where you've achieved so much in life today. And I wish you all my very best in life, and uh, and 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 I really wish that everything around us becomes more positive. We become more stronger from inside. We can fight this battle, and we all can survive. And once we all do this, I think there's lots to learn from all the mistakes we've done, and maybe we are able to come together to take another initiative of how to, make things more effective for future, so that such like things don't occur again. So I'm sure, inshallah, this will go away very soon. This is just a phase in life. It could last for another 10 days, it could last for another 10 months, it could last for as much as we want. So if we stay home, we stay fit, we stay alive, we work from home, we spend time by being within a contained area, we will help the nation, we will help the world to fight against Corona, and that's what
And
we
get
should be
back
doing
very
right now.
fast. Yes, and get back
Yes,
faster. Yes.
yes, yeah. So that's my thank you note to you. Thank you so much, Preeti. Love you always.
Thank you. Love you always. Really, really.
And thank you, great audience. You've been a fantastic audience, great listeners. Thank you for being there, and listening to such amazing, Preeti Balla. But trust me, she is nothing. What she right now she did is only 1% of what she is. Not even 1%. So when you listen to her live and unplugged, that's another level of experience. Tom. Fantastic. And thanks to George. Thanks to my friend George, who's been great support, and for you guys, for you and Kyra and family back home. And thank you, Kyra, for being there for us. And love you all. See you soon.
Yeah. See you soon. Very, very soon. Thank you. Love
Bye
you.
bye.
Love you
Bye.
always.
Take care. Bye.
Take
Bye.
care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.